Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic defense of October. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. Friends, we'll start with our video, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors, then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. First, we'll be talking about 8th edition of the India-Sri Lanka bilateral joint exercise that was named Mitra Shakti. In yesterday's video, we saw a question that was asking you regarding the which edition of the exercise was conducted between the two countries. So editions are very important, you should know. 8th edition of Mitra Shakti was conducted recently, and Mitra Shakti is an exercise that is conducted between India and Sri Lanka. The 8th edition of Mitra Shakti, the 8th edition of India Sri Lanka exercise, that is Mitra Shakti, was scheduled to be conducted at Combat Training School Ampara in Sri Lanka. If location asked, then where was this conducted? It was conducted in Sri Lanka itself. The main objective is to promote the close relationship between both the armies of the countries and enhance their interoperability relations and sharing best practices in counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operation. The duration was of 12 days of this particular exercise. Mitra Shakti between India and Sri Lanka. Moving on to second, fifth edition of the India-Japan Maritime Bilateral Exercise that was held in Arabian Sea. What was this exercise named? This is important. It was named as GIMEX 2021. What it is? It is between India and Japan. So J for Japan, I for India, M for Maritime, EX is your exercise. Remember it like this: GIMEX, Japan India Maritime Exercise 2021, that was held between Indian Navy and Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force. This was the fifth edition of India-Japan Maritime Bilateral Exercise that took part in Arabian Sea. Another location is very important. What is the location of it? It is Arabian Sea. GIMEX is an exercise between India and Japan that took part in Arabian Sea. Then, if we talk about the naval ship that took part from Indian side, was your INS Kochi and guided missile frigate Tej. But remember, if INS is asked, it was your Indian naval ship Kochi that took part in the GIMEX, in the fifth edition of GIMEX that took part in Arabian Sea. Next is your Air Force Day. Air Force Day is observed on 8th of October. Mark this, another important question you should know. We have covered this in your important days, but still, as it is a defense related video, this question is important. Air Force Day on 8th of October. Next, 6th edition of the India UK Joint Company Level Military Training Exercise Ajay Warrior. Mark this. Ajay Warrior is a military exercise that is conducted between India and United Kingdom. Very important. Ajay Warrior. I repeat, Ajay Warrior is a military exercise that is conducted between India and UK. If it is asked where was the 6th edition of the Ajay Warrior took place, it took place in India in Uttarakhand state. This is also important. Alright, that means 6th edition of Ajay Warrior that is held between India and UK, that is United Kingdom, took part in India, and that too in which state? In Uttarakhand state of India. Next, Indian Navy to host its largest exercise that was named as X Milan. Now what is this X Milan exercise? This exercise will be conducted in the February month of the year 2022. This will be organized by which country? It will be organized by India, or it will be hosted by India. It will be a naval exercise. Alright. In this particular exercise, 46, let me write here, 46 nations will be taking part in the exercise Milan that will be hosted by India. So, India's largest naval exercise will be X Milan. This will be conducted by Indian Navy in February 2022. 46 countries have been invited to attend this exercise, and for the first time USA will be taking part in this exercise. The Quad country members, that is your Quadrilateral Security Dialogue countries. Which are the Quad countries? They are India, USA, Australia and Japan. Also will be taking part in this particular exercise X Milan, and it is for the first time that USA will be taking part, is invited for the first time. Next, as we were talking about Quad countries, what are the Quad countries? India, USA, Japan and Australia. So, Quad countries are now taking part in the second phase or the second edition of the Malabar Naval Exercise in the Bay of Bengal region. Very important. This is to counter the growing power of China in the South Pacific China Sea. This exercise will be conducted in the Bay of Bengal region. This is your Malabar exercise or Malabar naval exercise conducted by the Quad countries, and they are India, US, Japan and Australia. Location is important, so remember the location. It is Bay of Bengal, where this particular 25th edition of this Malabar exercise will be taking part. Next is your Yudh Abhyas. Yudh Abhyas is a military exercise that is conducted between India and USA. Indo-US Joint Training Exercise Yudh Abhyas All right, and where did it take place? It took place in Alaska. Where is Alaska? Alaska is in United States of America. So Yudh Abhyas took part in USA only, that is between India and USA. Moving on. India and United Kingdom took part in Konkan Shakti. Another exercise between India and United Kingdom is Konkan Shakti, and recently it took part in the bilateral tri-service exercise. Tri-service exercise means all the three forces, that is Army, Navy and Air Force, will be taking part in this particular Konkan Shakti exercise. Moving on. Yes, one more thing. Currently, this Konkan Shakti took part in the Konkan coast on the Arabian Sea. Alright, that means this was your Navy part of the exercise that took part in the Konkan coast of the Arabian Sea of Konkan Shakti, that is between India and United Kingdom. Next is 8 beaches has got the blue flag certification tag. Important, mark this also. 8 beaches from India got the blue certification or blue flag certification. So let's look at first of all what is the blue flag certification. The blue flag is given by the Copenhagen, Denmark based Foundation for Environmental Education. I repeat, for environmental education, that is Foundation for Environmental Education, it has given this blue flag, and it is given by Copenhagen, that is in Denmark. FEE is the world's largest environmental education organization, that is Federation or Foundation for Environmental Education. In order to qualify for the prestigious label, the beaches have to meet a series of stringent environmental, educational, safety related and access related criteria to get this blue flag certification. There are certain criteria there, such as water quality. No industrial wastage should affect the beach area. Health of the coral reefs must be ensured. So water quality is important. Environmental education and information. Information relating to the coastal zone ecosystems and natural sensitive areas in the coastal zone should have been displayed. This is also an important criteria. Then comes your environment management. Facilities for receiving recyclable waste materials to be made available in the beach. Also, adequate facilities for clean sanitary facilities and controlled sewage disposal should also be available. This is also comes under the environmental management criteria for blue flag certification. Now, the 8 beach that got the blue flag certification from India are Shivrajpur from Gujarat, Gogula from Diu, Kasarkod from Karnataka, Padubidri from Karnataka, Kapad from Kerala, Rushi Konda from Andhra Pradesh, Golden Beach of Odisha, and Radhanagar of Andaman and Nicobar. These are the beaches that got your blue flag certification. 8 beaches of India have been awarded blue flag certification by Denmark based Foundation for Environmental Education. India became the first country to be awarded the coveted international blue flag certification for 8 beaches in one attempt. If we talk about the international jury, that means the organization or the group of people who decided to give this blue flag certification is your international jury. It was selected by an international jury consisting of eminent members from the United Nations Environment Programme, United Nations World Tourism Organization, FEE, and International Union for Conservation of Nature. They all together decided to give India's 8 these beaches the blue flag certification. Now this was related to your defense and everything. Now let's look at some of the important military exercise that will be helpful for you. First, Sampriti. Sampriti is an exercise that is conducted between India and Bangladesh. Mitra Shakti, India and Sri Lanka, we just saw recently. Maitri exercise is between India and Thailand. Vajra Prahar, it is between India and USA. Yudhabhyas between India and USA. Nomadic elephant between India and Mongolia. Garuda Shakti between India and Indonesia. Shakti exercise between India and France. Dharma Guardian between India and Japan. Also with India and Japan, we just saw GIMEX, Japan India Maritime Exercise. Next, Surya Kiran is between India and Nepal. Hand in hand exercise, India and China. Simbex, this was your GIMEX. It is GIMEX. This is Simbex. Similarly, India and Singapore conducts this Simbex exercise. Shakti exercise, we just saw this above. Shakti is between India and France. It is a repeated one. Corpet is between India and Thailand. Coordinated patrol, India and Thailand. Alright, so these are the exercises that are very important. You should know and will be helpful for you in the upcoming exams. Hello friends, through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो. अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारे कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी. सो टेक केयर.